Today, my video guide will help you to get rid of the browser hijacker called Students New Tab. The website promoting the extension is called Studentslearningtogether.club. Currently, this website promotes Students New Tab as a valuable extension. Well, this is at least what its developers claim. They claim that by installing the Students New Tab extension, students will be able to get quicker access to some popular websites like Gmail, Twitter, Facebook, and other pages. They promise that by installing the extension, the students will be able to get more convenient access to some learning programs. But the point is that the developers of this extension do not mention the fact that their default search engine is also hijacked and the new tab value is also changed. For instance, when you submit certain search queries, you notice that the results are delivered by Bing. And no matter what search queries you submit, you still get the results by Bing, even though there is nothing wrong with Bing, but the point is that choosing Bing in this case is not the choice of a customer. In other words, the extension called Students New Tab makes the decisions instead of people. So if you are not happy with such amendments in the way your browser operates, consider getting rid of all these suspicious extensions you see here. So go to the menu, click on More Tools, choose Extensions. Then be sure to disable and delete any suspicious extensions that are found here. Finally, I would strongly recommend that you perform additional investigation of your Mac computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and the best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. This is the way the program looks like. It is initially in the trial mode, however it has got some free features, for instance disk cleaner, big files and duplicates. Click on Start Combo Scan button, then wait until the scanning is completed and you will see the detailed report about your Mac computer at the end of scanning. So this is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Of course, in your case, it will be in the trial mode. But you may go to the antivirus section. The program will show you the total number of threads that were found during the scanning. Click on Review Results. So this is the list of threads, and not just the list, but rather their location. You may go to each specific thread, one thread at a time, until you find this icon that says Show in Finder. So this will show you its exact location in Finder. Here it is. You may right-click on it and move this thread to the trash. Basically, you may do the same thing with all other threads, or you may consider purchasing the premium version of the program to get rid of these threads automatically and to get your Mac fully protected.